Hi, John here. In this video, I will tell you what kind of budget I am using when I'm testing new products. And basically, this will work for everybody. It doesn't matter if you are white label, you have a real warehouse with real stock, or when you are testing products for dropshipping. For me, that beginning is like very similar. So this strategy will definitely work for all people who are basically in e-commerce. But first, definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button. I'm uploading videos every day, so if you want to see more strategies in Facebook or e-commerce, definitely subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Like I said, this strategy is for everybody, so it doesn't matter if you have that white label or you are just like normal commerce or you have the dropshipping store. Basically, when I test products, before I know that I want to invest to stock, and to scale it, basically I always start with same thing, right? I always like test tons of products, and then when one of them works, then I start like creating those other channels, right? I will always start working with supplier, I start sending like emails, create some marketing around it. But first I always like take product, I test it through Facebook, and when it works, then I start like getting it ready for like hard scaling, right? And I always start same. Basically, every time when I start, I always create 10, 20 different ad sets, and all of them have $20 budget. With that, I always give it first day, and basically in that one day, I usually spend from those like 200 till $400, and based on that first day, I know if I can like move to second and third step. Basically, I will show you in next video what are my other steps, after that first day, when I know that product has some potential and I know I can scale it hard. Why I'm using those $20 ad set per day budgets, and why always between 10 and 20 ad sets? Well, first, when you are testing new products, you don't want to be in two situations. First one is when you don't spend enough, to understand if that product is working. And second one is if you spend too much and basically burn money on product that doesn't work. So I kind of like found with my own promotion that this is the best situation where I can risk between those 200 till $400, because I can live with that, I can test ton of products, and it's still like for me enough to understand, okay, that product is fine, it has some potential. I can then come to that second step, and push there like more money. When I'm launching that product in that first test day, I always target just one country, and that means USA usually, because I know that if I will find out that the product works, I can ship everything to USA warehouse like very fast. And I think it's even same with if you are like dropshippers. You can probably always like ship it from China to USA if you are like, or you will probably even be able to find like supplier with like USA warehouse as well, as faster than like Australia, Canada, or like New Zealand, So definitely, if you are like testing new product, just use that USA country first. When it comes to ages, I usually test with people from like 45 years, and older. When it comes to placements, I always start with mobile devices, and I basically pick only newsfeed. I don't do anything else, just Facebook newsfeed and mobile devices. I don't want those ads like on some other channels, I just want that Facebook newsfeed, and that's it, and mobile devices. And that's why I'm using those $20 ad sets, because for me $20 is enough, and if I will let it go like for a full day, I will get enough data, I don't think I need more to understand if the product works than if I will let each ad set spend $20. $20 is enough to get good add to carts, and get some conversions, This is like giving me everything. So if I will spend like $400 with those $20 ad sets, I just know I properly tested everything, I didn't burn too much money, and I know that I can invest more in that second step. So I will not be like in some huge loss. In that first day, I have just one rule that I use for optimization, and that's CPC rule. Basically, I always want to have like that CPC in those first $5 of spend. If I don't get any clicks in those first $5 of spend, I just want that ad set to kill, Well, if I cannot get clicks, that obviously is like bad ad or bad product, or whatever. But I mean, if I'm not even getting clicks, there is like no reason why I should like wait till $10 of spend, to get like one click or like 15 or 20. That would be just like stupid, So that's why I always like, okay, I will like go through that budget, but I at least want to stop it if that creative, that ad is like very bad, if it's not working properly with people, if it doesn't like sell or at least like get some attention or people are not clicking at it, right? That's kind of my only protective rule that should protect me like from bigger loss. But even when I'm like going with those $400 the first day or like $200 first day, I usually still don't spend it all because that first rule will kill a couple of those ad sets. So usually when I'm trying to spend like those 200, I will end up with spending like 150 or 120, and same with those 400. So that rule will at least a little bit protect you. At least you will not just give Facebook that power to burn completely through your budget if that product isn't working. Of that first day, I usually need to have like a couple of purchases, right? I don't care much if I had like a lot of add to carts. I mean, it's fine if you are selling like really expensive products, then there is like a huge chance that first day maybe you will not get sale. But if I'm selling something to like those $45, I don't care if I have like tons of add to carts in those ad sets. I care only if like multiple ad sets had purchases, right? So if I had, for example, 10 ad sets and one of them got 4 purchases, but rest of them like didn't get anything, then that product is not like very like scalable for me. So I usually kill it, But if I have like 10 ad sets and 5 of them will get conversion in first day, that's like very good sign for me. So then I am like able to kind of like move to that second step, right? For me, it's important to have a lot of these like variables in each ad set. I don't want to have like one ad set that has most add to carts, most clicks, and most purchases. I want to have it like in those all ad sets. Even if you will still have like high ROAS, but only 1 or 2 ad sets converted out of 10 or 20, that's just only like for me pure luck. And I can't really move to that second step where I will increase that budget, like double it, or like triple it for the next move where I want to like scale it. Till I will see that first day is working, I don't even think about sending, for example, those products to my suppliers if they can supply me with those products and start talking about price. I just want to know first that first day, okay, it survived, multiple ad sets converted, that product has potential, let's move to like bigger budget. And basically about that bigger budget and that another move where I will basically test it properly, so I will know that okay, I can scale it, let's just also get stock, let's get it already, we can like move with this. I will talk in next video, in tomorrow video. So definitely watch my tomorrow video because I will go through how to scale that new product. Like scale it in a way that in that third day of scaling you will know, okay, I can push this hard, this product is stable. Okay, so watch my next video. Definitely join Ad Federation. It's my free Facebook mastermind group. It's full of high-level marketers who are spending tons of money on Facebook. It just started, so if you join now, you are basically joining in best time, because if you will ask some question, you will get answer like very fast, and also you will have direct communication with me, so we can connect. So definitely join Ad Federation, and also download my free ebook. It's called Ultimate Facebook Advanced Survival Guide. I wrote it for all people who basically got flagged, or their business was completely banned on Facebook, and you need to do the proper restart where you don't need to constantly looking behind your shoulder. There is like Facebook not flagging you again, So after like all these flags that I've been through, I wrote this ebook, to help other people. So it's free. Definitely download it, and I will see you in next video tomorrow. So thank you for watching, subscribe, hit the bell button, and bye.